Here I have TCL Tab 10, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume buttons function in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you can find volume button function. You can set it to shutter, to zoom, or to just volume. So let's set it to zoom and try to zoom, I don't know, maybe onto these hard reset logos. So as you can see, when I volume up I can zoom, and when I volume down I can zoom out. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.